Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the server icon on Discord. So first, what are we going to do is we want to manage into our server. So once we are on our server, we can click on our name. Once we click here, we open a lot of settings. We're going to select server settings here and go to server profile. Now, here we have the icon. And of course, we want to get an image of at least 512 by 512 pixels. We're going to go over, click change server icon. And here you can choose a lot of basically pictures. So a lot of customized files here like JPG, JPEG, JFF, PNG, GIF, a web page, and AVIF. So we got a lot of options. We're going to choose this picture for an example. And as you guys can see, I'll choose, let's say, the white one. I'm going to zoom into it. Of course, you can zoom into your images. You can click on apply now. And as you guys can see, we have to save the changes at the bottom. Now, as you guys can see, we got a different image, different icon. And that's basically how you guys can do it. So, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.